Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today, my mom was gonna do some batter sorta challenge with some chicken and some other random things that she's gonna put in there. So, I don't know what the heck she's gonna put in there, but I guess we'll see. She's a little crazy, so I don't know what she's got. She probably put a whole bunch of batter things, which I really don't know. We'll wait till it's done, and I will see you guys from there, and we'll try it out.
Okay, so I am doing this challenge for my son, and we are going to be breading these thin slices of chicken breast with different things and see if he likes them, or he don't, but he still gotta eat it. So the first one is gonna be Biscoff, these cookies, which I made in here. I already have it pre-grinded. And then these are these chips right here. Then I have Oreos and some flaming hot peanuts. But I added cayenne pepper to it as well. So we're going to brew it and see how everything comes out. Okay. Here goes tiny pieces that he is going to be trying out. And that's the chips, the peanuts, the Oreos, and the Biscoff. So I'm just preparing the rest of his food, which will be rice and baked beans that he wanted. I think that'd be a good combo for this. So here goes your food.
What the heck is that?
Fried dumplings, baked beans and rice, And all these type of batters on the chicken, you have to guess what they are.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let me know if you like it or not.
This tastes good, but I don't know what type it is.
And you have to eat it, no matter if you don't like it.
Okay.
Taste it again. You have to know that's one of your favorites.
It is sweet, but I still don't know what it is. What is it?
All right, that's Biscoff.
Biscuit.
Those are your favorite cookies. How you don't know?
All right.
What color is that? It looks burnt, don't it?
It looks burnt.
What do you think?
It has like a bitter taste.
Is it?
Kinda, yeah.
You like it or you don't like it?
I kinda like it.
Okay. Do you taste anything that you might know? It's another one of your favorites. You gotta know what it is.
Oreos?
Yes, you got it right. Oreos. I think I will leave that one for last, sir. Take a bite. Yeah, just take a bite. That's another one of your favorites.
I don't know. This one doesn't have too much flavor.
Don't have too much flavor?
Mm-mm. What is it?
What kind of texture you got?
It's crunchy. It almost like it's fried, like lightly fried. But I don't really know what it is.
It is fried. And that's one of your favorite chips? The spicy chips you get for yourself and Dad?
Ah,
Yes.
that I guess was good.
Okay.
Now this one has something with peanuts.
Yes, you got that right.
Honey? Maybe? No?
Nope.
I don't know what else it is.
So,
It is spicy.
it's
to me.
spicy?
Yeah.
Does
to
it have a
me.
kick now?
Yeah.
You feel- What else do you think it's in it?
Something very hot.
Is it?
Yeah.
Now, do you still like it?
Yeah, but I'm probably gonna need water.
Get some water. You don't have water in your fridge? Oh, you should have had some water in your fridge.
I got milk. That helps.
That might
maybe.
help, yeah. Take another bite. See how much you could deal with. Really hot. Kicking in. Do you know what else is in there? What kind of spice you think is in there?
I don't know.
It's the cayenne pepper?
You put a whole bunch or something?
Nope. That's flaming hot peanuts.
That's messed up.
Is it hot?
Milk.
You need your milk? Now, why are you drinking it out of the container? Only because it's a little bit left, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta save it. I'll bring you some water later. So, how about your other food?
I've tried.
What is that? Oh, you kind of...
beans.
Yeah.
Tastes good.
And I made you one of your favorites also. Dumpling.
With honey.
Yes, with honey. So you got a full course dinner. No dessert, but...
Where's my cheesecake?
So out of all the meats, which one do you like?
So the favorite so far is the chip one, the spicy chips, with the batter. And
Then what else? Then what comes next?
the
Do it from
next
favorite
one,
to least favorite.
the next one would be the peanut one.
You do like that one?
I do kind of like it, but if it wasn't so spicy, it would be pretty good. Then the Oreo one, I'd say that would be that, about third or whatever. And the fourth one will be the Biscoff. It was good, but not that good.
Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna have to probably find something else to make some crazy stuff for desserts.
Deep fried ice cream.
I don't know. We might see what we can make.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below and hit that subscribe button. And if you want me to cook my parents something, I will. Or if you want me to cook my mom something or my dad separately, if you're going to choose my mom, you're going to have to put something vegan friendly. And if you want my parents to do a little challenge to see who cooks the best food out of both, comment about that too. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Oh, I'm so silly. I forgot to say like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. I finally finished my food. Now I can watch YouTube and eat. It took like an hour or two, but hey. Bye. Shoo shoo. I want to eat my food.